Hi everyone, it's Stephanie here and welcome to the MFT YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at our newest card kit called Wild About Rainbows. Let's kick things off with the 4x6 inch stamp set included in this month's kit called Good Vibes Only. Good Vibes Only features a range of greetings to boost and maintain a positive outlook. The mix of font choices adds interest and whimsy, allowing you to integrate them into your cards as both a message and a design element. The Be Kind to You sentiment coordinates with our previously released Phrase Builder Dynamics, which is sold separately and will die cut your sentiment with one pass through your die cutting machine. Next up, we have Color Blast, which is a large dynamics die that features a 6-piece rainbow design that can be used on all of your card fronts. The large and unique shape of this die allows you to use it on multiple card sizes, including A2 size cards, either vertically or horizontally, as well as circle cards, slimline cards, and any other type of card design that you would like to integrate this colorful rainbow design. Next up, we have Cascading Rainbow, which is another fantastic rainbow design, this one featuring 7 rainbow stripes. Cascading Rainbow was designed to fit on an A2 size card perfectly from corner to corner. You'll be able to die cut all of the stripes from this rainbow from different colors of cardstock and add them to your card design with no cutting required. The kit exclusive stamp set for this month is called Happy Day and features this fantastic 3x4 inch stamp set that has a ton of different sentiments to create a happy card. We also have You Make Me Happy, which once again coordinates with the Phrase Builder's Dynamic, which is sold separately. This stamp set is going to create a lot of fun sentiments as well as design elements on your card designs. And then we of course have your Free with 60 that's releasing with this month's kit. Be Happy is a 1-piece dynamics die that cuts out the words Be Happy to include on your card designs. This die will be yours with a $60 purchase after discounts and before taxes and shipping. Let's go ahead and take a look at all of the cardstock included in this month's kit. We have our traditional 5 pieces of smooth white, and then we have 1 sheet each of all of these beautiful rainbow colors that you're going to be able to use to die cut both your Color Blast as well as your Cascading Rainbow. So let's take one more quick look at all of the elements in this month's kit. You have this great assortment of rainbow colored cardstock. We have the Good Vibes Only stamp set, which is a 4x6 inch stamp set. You have the Color Blast Dynamics, which features this large rainbow design that's going to cut out a 6-stripe rainbow that will work on a multitude of card designs. We have Cascading Rainbow, which is designed to fit perfectly onto an A2 size card front and will die cut 7 striped rainbows. And then we of course have the kit exclusive Happy Day stamp set that is only available in this month's kit. And don't forget about the Be Happy Dynamics, which is this month's Free with 60 that will be yours with eligible purchases while supplies last. And lastly, if you are interested in die cutting the sentiments from the Good Vibes Only stamp set as well as Happy Day that coordinate with the Phrase Builder Dynamics, you'll want to grab one of those and add it to your card as well. So that is this month's kit, Wild About Rainbows. We hope you love this colorful kit and are looking forward to creating some really fun and whimsical card designs featuring all of the stamps and dies included this month. This kit will be available at My Favorite Things on December 15th at 10 a.m. Eastern, so set those alarms and go and grab your kit once it's available. As always, I appreciate you being here for another video and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching.